we're gonna eat lunch first in the food court. Tapos magpapa-nails kami ng mami ni Mikay. And then we're also gonna go around the department store to buy some last minute things for Mikay's graduation. This is already part 2 of our last days in Baguio vlog because that video is almost like 20 minutes now or lagpas 20 minutes na siya. New video na tayo. We still have Sunday until Wednesday. So this video will be a lot shorter. And then our next video will be the traveling to Davao video already. So I'm thinking what I should eat. Siguro Pauchin, but I've already had that like 2 times in the past week. So I'm also thinking if I should just get ramen. Pero ang init kasi sa labas so parang hindi siya masyadong vibe. I kinda just want to eat Potato Giant and get matcha, but that's not even a full nice meal. I'll think about it and I'll come back to you guys when I have food. We're gonna do some of the other errands first, and then we're gonna go to Elysian Lounge for our nails. Since 4th year college, I always get my nail extensions done in Elysian Lounge sa Mayumi because sobrang ganda ng quality. As in, I can't remove it by myself, and they're so cheap. So, $850 yung starting price for nail extensions. The ones I'm seeing here, starting price for nail extensions, 2,200, and there's $850 lang. Yun nga lang, it's a little far, and there's no parking, so we really have to walk from SM to there. Pero buti our appointment is 4:30, so sana hindi na ganito kainit by that time. I just finished my nails and this is one of my favorite colors I've ever gotten. How come I've never had this color before? Ang ganda niya. It's so nakaka-fresh. So we're gonna go to SM because I had tagos on my pants and on very obvious places. I didn't actually have tagos, you know. I just peed. Then I said, wow, I don't have that much period. I stood up because I was done. Biglang nag-drip like a faucet. TMI. Basta ang daming blood on my pants. These are my favorite pants ever. I've had this for years. I'm not gonna throw it away, but I hope we get the stain out. Because remember, my other pants, meron din siyang stain. Just yesterday, I spilled so much garlic on them. And I couldn't get them out with alcohol. So, dalawa na nga lang yung maayos kong pants na wala sa maleta. And nagka-stain pa sila ng madami. So, I'm thinking if I should buy pants. Maybe if I find the cheap one in H&M and Uniqlo. Or if I should just go home and wear shorts. I'll think about it. Which one? Guys, I'm done buying pants. And ang ganda ng pants na binili ko is kind of the same style still. But a lot better. And ang ganda niya. Anyway, it cost me $1,790. And since my nails are green, I had to get another matcha. And first time ko i-try yung Biscoff cream na matcha nila. And it's good. I think it's my pinaka-gusto na out of everything. More than banana pudding. I miss making matcha at home, but I don't have milk. Nakakadalawa na akong bili ng matcha sa labas. Okay, now we're going to UB kasi iniwan namin doon yung parents ni Mikay because of my little emergency. So we're gonna pick them up and then we're gonna see if Dangs still has stocks. So yun yung dinner namin, Dangs. If not, ewan ko. We're gonna regroup. Let's figure it out. Guys, we're in CAA to just buy some random stuff like paper plates. And we planned on getting Dangs, but it's closed on Sundays, right? And then we wanted to eat biryani na lang, but then sobrang hinayap na namin siya sa parents ni Mikay only for it to be closed as well. So saan na tayo kakain, guys? Saan pa ba pwedeng kumain? touch Kai's makeup. I didn't bring her powder, so let's put on my powder, which is pink. Guys, it's our last day here in Baguio. Yesterday, Mikay graduated already. And I didn't have a lot of vlogs, but I have videos of her grad kasi nag-take yung papa niya. And now, she's a changed woman. Look at her. She doesn't even look like that. She didn't even look like that the day before her grad. So for our last day, we're just gonna do a lot of our last minute errands like vet health certificate, BAI permit, printing tickets, printing permits. So we're gonna try to see if we can do rush laundry. If we can do the laundry rush, para makuha din namin ulit later. Hindi naman natuyo yung mga towels and stuff and they're gonna stink if we just let them be in the car. Let me just do some light makeup because we're gonna leave in a little bit.
Sige, sit ka lang dyan, sit.
Ang gas. Wala naman ko.
Coke Zero, mana? Gusto mo pa?
For peeing. So, bumiyahe kami ng mga 6:30 and 1 hour na kami nagbabiyahe. So, we're having our first stop over Nori! Tapos si Kali and si Loki. So, our ETA is like 10:50. Our check-in is at 3. So, I don't know where we're gonna go or what we're gonna do or kung makakarating ba talaga kami ng 10. I'm hoping that we can have some gala time as well before work. Because work is at 3. We arrive sa Manila and still have time for gala. That will be great. Ang sikip, guys. Walang malagyan ng paa. At least nagkasya and nobody had to take the bus.